Hi, in this video, I will share effective ways to calm your child in a minute. Picture this. Your child is mid-tantrum, emotions soaring, and you feel powerless. But what if you had a few magical tricks to calm them within a minute? Stay tuned for life-changing tips that will inspire parents and kids alike. See, your child mirrors your emotions. If you panic, they will spiral further. So, tip number 1 is to channel your inner hero, breathe deeply, count to 10 silently, and adopt a calm posture. Imagine your favorite anime character facing chaos with unwavering stillness. You are the hero in their storm. Tip number 2 is to visualize a peaceful, calm corner for your child. Fill it with soothing items like plush toys, books, or sensory objects. Think of it as their peaceful anime sanctuary, where they can escape emotional overload and recharge their energy whenever needed. Third tip is that when emotions run high, avoid judgmental language. Use neutral observations. I see you're upset. In anime, narrators calmly lead us through intense moments. You can do the same. This approach helps children feel heard without fueling the fire of their frustration. Tip number 4 is to celebrate their effort to calm down. Just like anime heroes, power up after achieving victories. Acknowledge you did a great job calming yourself. Positive reinforcement encourages emotional growth, boosting their confidence to handle future challenges. Fifth tip is to offer a reset tool, like watching their favorite anime clip or engaging with a calming activity like doodling their favorite characters. Redirecting their attention refreshes their perspective, helping emotions settle gently. Your child's emotions are a story, and you are their guiding narrator. With these 5 tips, conquer the chaos and write a new chapter of calm, understanding, and love. Now share these tips with someone who needs them, because every parent is a hero in their child's anime. Thanks for watching. More to come in next videos.